If you want to use motor plugs, then I recommend applying a contact enhancer. That probably gives a bit more performance and reduces the risk of contact corrosion or electrical fretting. Check out my many tutorials on this YouTube channel, into which I have invested a lot of work. A few words about the sponsors of this video. Betafpv, Stabilant 22 Contact Enhancer, Deoxit Contact Enhancer, and NPS Encore Contact Enhancer are the sponsors of this video. This video would not be possible without these sponsors. But this video would also not be possible without your support. Thank you very much for your support on Ko-Fi.com and through the affiliate links in the video description, as well as for your likes and comments that motivate me to keep going. Thank you, my whoop friends.
Some additional information can be found in the video description. Please watch my many other tutorials on this YouTube channel if you want to know more about how to modify a tiny boop or how to learn FPV flying and racing.